Hey guys, so today I'm doing a tutorial for Visual Studio and it's for absolute beginners. So if you have some coding experience, just don't look at it, you don't need it. And well, so let's dig into it. So today we're going to build an app for like this, very simple, and it's going to contain a text block and a button, and if you click the button, it will say you have clicked the button. So let's start. So what you're going to do is to you can, if you start, you create new project and blank app, Windows Universal, and calling it tutorial, first tutorial, and you can call it whatever you want and click OK. And so this is letting you choosing what you want, like which platform can be run, which platform this app can be run. So I'm just going to set the lowest and click OK. It's going to create one for you. Well, while it's creating my app, I'm going to talk about Windows Universal. Well, it's just for Windows Universal, it's just about XAML, and the thing is that XAML, for XAML it's always being used creating like a lot of websites, and it's also used in Windows, like its applications. It's Windows Universal means that it can run on all platforms like cell phones, Xbox, and computers. And so let's start. So when you have this, you just go into Solution Explorer and you're going to click on manpage.xaml, click it twice, and here's your main page. And here's your first look at XAML. Well, if you are new, and so here's your designer. It's just voice loading. It's just how your customer, how you are going to see when it's running as an app. So you can see here, you can choose what device to look review on, and yeah. So here's the code, and this is a whole page, and this grid background means this thing, and we are going to add something in it, which is, of course, we have a button in there, and after you are just going to type this, and for this it means that you are starting like you're putting something in the code, and you can't just put button like that, and it won't work, see. So yeah, so here's a button there, very tiny, so we're going to put it bigger. Height means the height of this thing, 50, and width 50. Well, let's put height for 100, height for 200, and width for 100. Well, you don't need it, like you don't need that much space, and you can just drag it to the size you want. Oops, I thought it was whatever. So here it is, and it will automatically create the margin for you. Well, I'm not letting it do that, but because it's like not in the center, so I will delete that. And there's two things: horizontal and sorry about that. Horizontal alignment, you can put it in the center if you want to. It's just gonna put it in the center. And there's also vertical alignment, and it's going to be in the bottom. And you can create, if it's too low for you, you can just create a margin. And if you see the first value is the space to the left, so I'm going to put in wait margin 0 to the left and 0 to the top and 0 to the right, and I will put 40 to the bottom, and now it looks nicer. And what we're going to do now is to create the content, which is what will the button say, and it will say click me, and there it is. It's very small, so we're going to put font size equals to 50, well 40, and there we go. Well, now here it is, and let's put another thing, is the text block. Well, for this time I'm not doing it here, so you can go to toolbox. Well, I want to show you how you can use the toolbox. There's a lot of things there, but we don't have the chance to go for it. And well, for me, I'm learning Swift. Well, I'm also learning Visual Studio also, so I don't know all of this, but yeah. Well, we're going to put the text block, and we're going to drag it in wherever you want, and yeah, there it is. Oops. And here it is our toolbox, the text block, and again in the center, no margin. If you want to, you can have margin, and I don't know what that is, but I'm just going to delete it. And text, what is it going to say? Click the button, and there it is. And vertical alignment, I'll put center. And now here it is. Well, if we can try it on our local machine. If you just click the button and the app will build, and we will see. But the thing is that if you click the button, there's nothing going to happen because we didn't write any code in there. So we'll first see the effect of it, like how is it going to be. Still waiting. Well, the nice thing here is that we created vertical alignment, and so these things, it can automatically resize. See, it can automatically resize your app, and that's a good thing. That's why I don't just drag it in and click me. It doesn't make any thing. So we just close the application, and you're going to double click. Oh, no, not that first. You're going to click on this and then put properties, and you're going to put a name. I'll put text block. You will see how are we going to use that. And now you're going to double click on click me, the button. Oops, sorry. Oh, I don't know. Well, go to properties and go to the lightning label, and you'll see the click value, and you double click on that on the text field over there, and it will create a method for you, which is it's an event handler, which is what the app will do after you click the button. And well, now you're going to put text block, and here is the use of the thing that we just made, because we are going to say that these things, which is the text block we created, point text. Well, if you code in Swift before, it's just almost the same. It's the same expression. Well, I code in Swift before, and here is the same expression. And you're going to type equals to, and I don't know, quotation mark, and you put you click the button. And after this is the difference between this and Swift. Well, for me, it's you need a little of time to get used to it. You need at least after, so it means that you end the code, and you're going to run it, and it should work. It will work, and we'll build up our application. And here it is. Click me, you click it, you click the button, and there it is. There is our first tutorial. And well, guys, if you have any idea of what next video will be, just put it in the comments, and I will try to do that. I'm a beginner too. I just code for around 3 months, so maybe that's something that I can't do. And well, yeah, and make sure to click that thumbs up button. Thank you.